Picture another morning, makeup done in the bathroom, warm light, you looked flawless, then you step into daylight. Or a photo goes off and suddenly you look tired, flat, dusty, like someone turned your saturation down. Gray, ashy, and the wild part, you did nothing wrong. So what happened? Today, I'll tell you why and bring your glow back with one drop. That's right, it'll only take one drop again. Welcome back to Spicy Undertones, the why behind the fix for tan, brown, and deep skin. And listen, at 61, I stopped fighting my skin and I learned to work with it. Gray and ashy didn't matter. I know it from the inside. Last time we killed the orange, today we chase that gray away. Here's what's going on. It's two things together. First, a lot of shades run too cool for warm undertones. There's not enough warmth holding your color up. Second, the sneaky one is light. When skin goes dry or flat, and mature skin does that sooner, because I'm living it, it stops bouncing light. And that skin doesn't catch light, it reads gray. Put those two together and you go ashy. It's not your fate. Remember our one rule. Opposites cancel. Orange went too warm, so we reached for blue. Gray and ashy are the cool, flat side, so we reach for warmth. Warm, golden, glowy. That's the antidote to ashy. Let me show you. For this one, I need you to skip the powder. Powder makes ashy worse. It mats you down and eats the last of our light. Instead, one drop of a warm liquid bronzer, a luminous one, not a flat one, will do the trick. Golden rule. A little goes a long, long way. One drop is all you need. Here's my foundation on my hand, gray and lifeless. Now, one drop, swirl it in with a clean brush and watch the warmth floods back and the light comes back on. We go from dusty to lit from within. Too much? And let me tell you, you go muddy. So start with one drop and build only if you need it. One drop at a time, every time. You don't have any bronzer? You've got backups. A peach or a golden luminizer. A drop of a warmer foundation or a cream bronzer melted in with your fingertips. Just skip the dry setting powder. That's what got you here. So we need you to keep it warm and keep it luminous. A note from my deeper skin friends, because ashy hits hardest here. Reach for a richer warmth, a red gold or a copper bronzer, not a light, a sandy one that'll gray you out. I need you to swirl that drop into a bigger amount of product so it blends evenly. Same rule, scale to you. Mix it fully before it touches your face. Here we have it side by side. One is untouched, gray and flat. The other has one drop of warmth. Same foundation, same face, same light. One side is fading, the other is glowing. That's not a different product. That's color and light doing the work. So to recap, your makeup goes gray because the shade runs cool and your skin loses its glow. The fix is warmth. One drop at a time and mix it fully. Skip the powder. You just brought your face back to life. Next time we'll go after redness when your cheeks and your nose flare hot and pink. How one color across the wheel, green, calms it all down. So save this for your next ashy morning. Drop a comment if your makeup goes gray so I know I'm not alone out here. And I'll see you in the next one. And that's the spicy truth. Stay spicy.